Hello to my amazing Gaston Bengals. Mr. Vincent here with an update on our stock market game. Now, as a reminder, last week we logged in for the first time to this new app called the Stock Market Game, where you and a few of your friends from your class are going to be buying and selling stocks, mutual funds, and bonds over the next 6 weeks to see which group can make the most profit. Now, the app has given you $100,000 of fake money to invest to see what you can get out of it. And as we talked about in class, the main purpose of investing in stocks should be long term. We're looking to gain wealth over time. We kind of looked at this example before too that looked at if I had, when I was your age, back thousands of years ago, not really, but it was in the last millennium, invested just $5 in Amazon stock, I would have thousands of dollars today. And let's take a quick look at how we can analyze to see which stocks might be good purchase decisions for this activity. There's a website linked in the team's assignment called Google Finance. And right here in the middle where it says search, you can search for all sorts of different companies. Right now I'm looking at Amazon because I want to show you something. When we look at Amazon, we can kind of see that today it has gone from a low of $231 to a high of $233. So it's been kind of in this same range all day. But as we start clicking and looking further back in time, we can start to see, at 1 month, it was down a little bit. It's a little bit up from the month. We look at 6 months. It's from 170 to right now 233. So it's been going up month over month. 6 month, year to date, we can look 1 year, 5 years max. And what we see here is there are ups and downs. And what we're trying to think of is which companies might be good investments for a long time. And just taking a look back here, I was in middle school in 1996 to 1998. And so if we go back and look, right here, in 1998, January 16th, this would have been when I was in 8th grade. Amazon stock was 24 cents. And now you look at this and you say, oh, Mr. Vincent, you should have invested, a whole bunch of money in Amazon. You'd have been uber rich right now. The truth is you don't know what's going to happen with the stock in the future. We just don't know. If we knew, it would change what happens here. But we're looking at the past on stocks, and the Amazon in the past, it's mostly been going up. There was this huge precipitous drop right here where it went from, $180 in half. And that's not the norm for Amazon. So if I wanted to buy Amazon, if I'm saying, for the stock market game, I want to buy some Amazon. You're going to go to the link for the stock market game and log in with your group's username and password. Log in. Your login is in Teams chat. You go to Teams, click chat. I sent you and your group your username and password. You don't need to come ask for it from me again. It's there in Teams chat. Just go look. But Amazon's what I'm looking at. And when I go over to the stock market game, I'm going to enter a trade. And trading is buying or selling or acquiring or divesting stocks. Now, we're going to click enter a trade. Today, all we're doing is a single stock buy. We're not selling anything yet. And so what I want you to do here is come onto this page. And my stock I was looking at was Amazon. And if you look specifically up here at the top in my tab, AMZN, which is this one right here, Amazon. And I'm going to buy 10 shares of Amazon stock at the market price, which is where it is right now, how much it costs right now. And I'm going to click preview trade. And as soon as I do that, it's going to look, $2,000. That seems like a pittance here compared to how much I have. Maybe I want to up that a little bit, but it's not a big deal. And so I'm going to go ahead and click confirm trade. And it's not instant. So there's a process involved with trading. You go out, the app finds someone who's willing to sell them to you, and then it takes a little bit of time or whatever. So by the end of class today, you should have all purchased at least one stock into your team's portfolio. So if there's 4 of you in your team, 4 different stocks at a minimum. If you have questions about this, there's lots of great resources right here. Rules of the game. Take a look at some of this, see what this is about, and have a great day, Bengals.